fishing, just fishing, fishing, just fishing. Jigging jerks, jigging jerks, jigging jerks, fishing. Jigging jerks, jigging jerks, just fishing. Jigging jerks, jigging jerks, jigging jerks, fishing. Jigging jerks, jigging jerks, just fishing. Jigging jerks, jigging jerks, jigging jerks, fishing. Jigging jerks, jigging jerks.
Hello again, everybody, and thanks for watching. And what we have today is a November 9, 2018 tog trip with myself, John Halkias, my boat partner, John Sweeney, and our good friend, Jimmy. Cold, blustery day, another day with high winds. We really couldn't go to our spots in the eastern Long Island Sound, so we had to stay somewhat local. A few mile trip into Gardner's Bay. What you're seeing here is the first rock pile we hit. No success, 3 shorts, and dealt with that strong wind. You can see the rip lines all around us. So, we know there's a jetty nearby, and that's what we did. We used the Rhodan trolling motor to idle up to the jetty. We're only a few feet from it. Rocky bottom, 16 feet, and we hammered them. Probably an hour and a half there, full limit plus many, many keeper releases. And then we made the 8 or 9 mile ride home from there in very choppy conditions. I'll include some short footage of that at the end of the video. Also, check out the video description for links to some of the products we use. And as always, if you like these videos, please hit that like button. And if you like this content and you're not already a subscriber, please hit that subscribe button. Oh, right away, dude.
That's sick, man.
This has got potential. Potential. Little short.
Huh?
Little short, maybe. Yeah. Little short. That is an aggressive bite, though. And we're at the spot not more than 5 minutes when I hook up to one just short, and then Sweeney hooks up to one that just passed. And it was just the beginning. And again, 5 minutes, that's how long it took our crab juice to flow out. Sweeney chummed a couple crabs in the water too. It's very shallow here, 16 feet, like I said. And wow, whatever blackfish were in that vicinity, they found us. I'm using, and so is Sweeney, a St. Croix Triumph 6-foot medium fast spinning rod with a Penn Battle 2000. We're both using that, like I said. Our friend Jimmy is using a Tsunami Slim Wave 6-foot spinning rod with a Daiwa Big Game 2500 class reel on it. And like I said, links in the description. Although you have the only keeper, so I should shut up. Just put a fresh piece on here.
Hey.
Oh shoot!
I gotta slow it down.
All right. Oh, let me get the net.
Let him get tired first. I'm holding the drag. I didn't want him to go. He's running, man. Jimmy, I got a good fish, man.
Is he in a rock?
No, I'm holding the bail, dude. I'm tiring him out so he don't do that again. I ain't losing him like yesterday.
He had a big fish on, and it took him into the rocks yesterday, and. Oh, dude. Nice job. Oh, wow. It's a really good fish, man. Look at this. Nice. Yeah, camera's on. Camera's on. Wow. Wow, dude. 5.5, 6? And here, take the net. I wasn't pounding, but I'll pound. Yeah, no, as soon as you go down now. Whoa! Another monster?
Yeah, not a monster, but a good fish. A very good fish.
I saw him run with it.
Yeah. A fat.
Oh, nice fish. Nice fish. Swinger though, but nice fish. Another keeper. Good job, Sweeney. 3 keepers in like 10 minutes, man. Holy shit. Meanwhile, Jim, you and I here, I don't know what's going on. Look, I'm gonna be down a second. I'm either gonna have a fish on or no bait. Oh. They're on you now. θα μας μου βάλω 5 πόδια πίσω, να είμαστε εκεί που είναι αυτός τώρα και δεν θα ξέρει τίποτα. Sweetie, I moved us back 5 feet.
So you can be in my spot.
No,
No.
come on. We would never do that to you. Interesting. You're right over them. I'm not getting hit now. Nice, fat. Look how fat he is. Might be 14, but fat.
14 and fat. Yep.
Hit now? Oh, you're down. You're still going down. He's on me already.
You shut the live well. Oh, there you go. Slow it down. Don't let it go. You know, he'll tire up.
I don't know about tiring out.
Well, I felt that, you know, mine for that reason.
Topwater blackfish.
Nice. That's a nice catch.
Sorry, Jim. I think we're clear. Yeah, it's okay. Oh.
Pretty fish. Pretty fish.
Ah, no.
Bring the fish in.
Yeah,
You know what I mean?
it's not that bad. Oh, he's heavy. Yeah. Wow. Oh man. Good fish?
No, again, it's gonna be, you know, like a last. It's a keeper. That's it. No drag. How's that sound? 15, 16, 14.
Yeah.
Dude,
Yeah,
you know I got like 5 keepers right here.
4. We have 5 in the box. I have 1.
What's that?
We have 5 in the box.
Oh,
There you go.
there you go. I moved the boat back like
Whoa.
running.
Need a net?
Oh shit! I'm getting out of his way. Fuck. Sorry. All right. Keep working. Yeah. Here you go.
That's a big fish, dude. Let me get the net. Just in case. It's light line. It's a nice fish, man.
Oh, nice fish, Jim. All right, let me get my spot back now. So uncomfortable here. Now that you know what it looks like in that spot.
So, on a serious note, let's just move 5 feet back and we'll all be in the strike zone. No, I would.
You know what? Okay, you're right.
Okay, done. Good job, Jim. There. Ooh. Oh, another monster, dude. Uh-oh. Dude, that's bigger than your first one. Yeah, look at your rod. Yeah, don't. Just be careful doing that. You need a net? Let's see what it looks.
I do.
Pass me the
Well,
net,
you know what?
Jim.
If he takes it on a run, let's see what it is. Wait. Look, you can see it now.
Nah.
No, fat guy.
Yeah.
All right.
You sure? The net's here.
I'll swing.
Oh boy.
Oh, perfect.
It's a nice fish, man.
It is.
It's 5 pounds.
6 fish.
Yeah, no.
Nice, Jim. Very nice.
Good fish. May want to pump too. Reel down. Pump, reel down. Nothing.
Tell me.
No, it's I pump up, down. It's just taking drag right now. Ooh. We get the net just in case. Oh, it's a nice fish. Yeah, he's big, dude. Yeah. Yeah, dude. On that tackle. That's
nice.
This is what you were catching with Pete?
Yeah.
Yeah. Well, yeah, because we're only in 17 feet.
Yeah.
Wait, 16. Sweetie's on a good fish. Turn the camera off to change the battery. Yeah, I would loosen that
No,
drag.
it's okay. It took drag.
It did? Okay. That's a nice fish.
Yeah.
Yeah. I don't want to grab the braid, that's all.
No, I don't think.
Oh, you got him good. That's a nice fish, dude. That's another 5-pounder. Oh shit.
What?
I got hit on the way down. My line started running out of my hand. Oh man, this is a good one. Felt better.
No notice of the big one.
Yeah. Well, this is gonna be borderline. No, it's gonna pass.
Ship's gotta go. No.
No?
One? No? That's like Rod. You better pass that.
Yeah, I got him. I got a good one. Not huge, but
No, but
it's definitely a keeper.
oh yeah.
And fat, man. This is the guy that hit me on the way down.
Is it 3 or 4 where we are?
Yeah.
So yeah, that's just it. Nobody would do that. You know, you go the extra step and you got it.
Okay.
Oh,
Serious fish.
good one, right?
Yeah.
Still strong or?
Yeah. No. Well, he took a massive. No, it's a good fish. Yeah, just so I don't break the. You know what I'm saying? Just so I don't break them off. Slack. Thank you.
There's something in that back here. Oh, no.
I got him. Thank you. You can let go, Jim. I got him. Thank you. Yeah, this is a nice fish.
Is that it?
Swimming. Oh. Yeah.
I like the sound.
Oh shit, dude.
That good, huh?
This might be. Don't mention. Nothing. Yeah.
Oh, that's pretty.
Thanks. I think I need it for this one. Thank you. Slack. Thank you. Fish. Nice fish. Oh yeah. Look at that mouth. Woo. It's long. Whoa.
I'm kidding. We don't have to.
No, but I think especially because we have fishing that we're gonna take care of too. Maybe consider packing it up soon. Like 10:30, maybe it's 10 o'clock instead of waiting till 11. And you might hear me say there through the wind noise that maybe we should consider packing it in at 10:30 instead of 11 like we planned. The wind was really supposed to pick up 20 knots plus at 11, but it had already started. And we're not far from our dock, but we do have an open body of water in Gardner's Bay to go through. And 20 mile an hour following sea, not fun in a 25-foot boat when it was going to be 3 to 4 footers. And yeah, that was going to be it. And we'll end it with a short clip of us running through the water. As always, if you like these videos, hit that like button, and if you're not already a subscriber, please hit that subscribe button.
Fishing, just fishing, fishing, just fishing, fishing, just fishing, fishing, just fishing.